If AI could generate entire video games in real time, it would revolutionize how games are created and experienced. Players could experience unique, personalized gaming worlds that adapt based on their actions, preferences, and interactions. This shift would blur the lines between pre-designed content and dynamic game creation, offering unprecedented levels of variety. Endless game possibilities and replayability. The ability to generate games in real time would make every gaming session potentially different from the last. Instead of playing through static levels, the game world could evolve in response to player choices. Each playthrough would offer fresh environments, storylines, and challenges, drastically improving replayability and keeping players engaged for longer periods. Adaptive storylines and quests. With AI-driven game generation, storylines and quests could be dynamically created based on player behavior. For instance, characters could remember past interactions, creating a branching narrative that adjusts to decisions made earlier in the game. This would make the experience more immersive, with each player's story being unique, driven by their actions within the game world. Instant game personalization. AI could analyze player preferences and instantly customize gameplay experiences. If a player favors action-packed scenarios, the AI might generate more combat-focused content, while those seeking puzzle solving could encounter challenges that emphasize problem solving. This level of personalization would ensure that players get the most enjoyable experience tailored to their individual gaming styles. Reduced development time and cost. Game developers often spend years creating polished worlds and intricate designs. Real-time AI generation could drastically reduce this timeline, enabling quicker production of high-quality games. Smaller indie developers could also benefit from AI, as it would allow them to produce content-rich games without the need for large teams or hefty budgets. Creating complex game worlds quickly. Real-time AI could create vast, complex game worlds that were previously unimaginable. These AI-generated environments would not only offer immense size but also feature intricate details that reflect real-world physics, ecosystems, and weather patterns. Such complexity could provide players with an experience that feels as rich and immersive as real life. Challenges in balancing and quality control. While AI-generated games hold great potential, maintaining balance and quality control could be a significant challenge. Real-time game creation might result in environments or scenarios that feel unpolished or disjointed. AI would need constant monitoring and fine-tuning to ensure that the experience remains engaging, challenging, and enjoyable for all players. Dynamic multiplayer experiences. In multiplayer games, real-time AI generation could create adaptive worlds where every player's actions affect the game. Players could interact with AI-generated characters and environments, contributing to a collective, evolving world. This would enable dynamic and ever-changing multiplayer experiences that could keep players invested in the game long-term. Ethical considerations and AI limits. Allowing AI to generate entire games in real time raises several ethical concerns. The line between game creators and AI could blur, raising questions about ownership, copyright, and creative control. Additionally, AI might produce content that's not appropriate for all audiences, requiring stringent regulations and guidelines to ensure responsible usage. The future of AI and gaming. As AI technology advances, the idea of AI-generated real-time video games may become more than just a possibility. It could lead to a new era in gaming where players interact with ever-evolving worlds, creating experiences that are completely unique every time. This shift could transform the gaming industry, offering limitless potential for developers and gamers alike.